In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on HubSpot quickly and easily. This additional layer of security is crucial for protecting your account from unauthorized access. Let's get started. First, navigate to the HubSpot homepage. This is where you'll begin the process of turning on 2FA. Once you're there, locate the Login button. Clicking this will direct you to the screen where you usually enter your credentials, so go ahead and log into your HubSpot account as you normally would. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home, which holds all of your account details and settings. Look around for the settings button, usually represented by a gear icon. This is your next stop as we dive into the settings to activate two-factor authentication. Once inside the settings, you'll want to find the security section. This is the hub for all security related preferences, including our goal today, which is enabling 2FA. Click on security to proceed. Now that you're in the security section, you should see the option to set up two-factor authentication. This is an essential move to safeguard your online presence by verifying your login attempts with a second step. Click on this to begin setting it up. For setting up 2FA, you'll typically need an authenticator app installed on your phone. Common apps include Google Authenticator or Authy, and they can be downloaded from either the App Store or Google Play Store. Go ahead and open your chosen app on your phone. Back in your HubSpot security settings, after you've clicked to set up 2FA, you'll see an option to select the Authenticator app. Click on this choice. Now HubSpot will display a QR code on your screen. Take your phone and open the Authenticator app, then find the option to add a new account. It often looks like a plus sign. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your HubSpot settings. Once scanned, your Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code for your HubSpot account. Enter this code back into HubSpot to verify the setup. After entering the code, confirm everything looks correct. Congratulations, you've now enabled two-factor authentication. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing your account is far more secure. Remember, each time you log in, you'll need to use your password and the Authenticator app code. This way, even if someone has your password, they cannot access your account without that code. That concludes our guide for today. Thank you for watching, and make sure to never share your Authenticator codes with anyone to keep your account always protected.